how to allow apps to access your radios on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow apps to access your radios on Windows 10. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply click on the Windows search bar and there simply type in settings and simply double click on settings to open the settings app. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply look at the left hand side and there you simply have to click on privacy and security. And now here, once you are inside the privacy and security, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as radios. So simply click on it. And now here, once you are inside the radios, here you'll see two options. First is radio control access, and second is late apps control device radios. So here you simply have to toggle on both these options, and that's it. With this, the apps on your Windows 10 device can now access the radio safely. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.